Hello everyone. I'm back. Just came back home. Right now, making some. Uh, Today I'm gonna make like the Shio ramen with the càixīn thing combined. Okay, so right now I'm just boiling the water right now. So first thing first is, and I'm also first thing first is wash the ramen, put it inside, and now I put the soup base in. Soup base. That's the ramen. After that, okay. After that, oops. Let's just put it over here, and also put some of this sesame inside. Sesame. After that, I'm gonna cut out some of the càixīn thing inside too. While that's waiting, let's cut out some red cabbage. I already chop up some, and also bought some yam, sweet potato, from outside, and also bought yep. And this is from previous. So, cut out some red cabbage or purple cabbage, whatever you call it. Okay, so red cabbage. I just chop it in half and then cut it in half and quarters. Right now, just slice it. I think that's enough for one meal. And then after that, now I put some Choy some. I put the stem part inside first because it takes longer to make it. Okay, so I put it on the top. And now I add one egg in, white egg. I add another egg in. And then I sprinkle, this is pure, it's already washed, I washed it. Add some red cabbage into it. My wife is outside already working, so I this is for myself, so I'll make something for her next time too. After that, since last time we did not finish the shrimp that we ate last time, still some shrimp left. Okay, my wife saved some. I'll cook some for her tonight. Okay, this is the shrimp. Put some shrimp inside. Let it cook. I take the small one. Let her have the big one. It's tiny shrimp. So okay. Now, what do I do next? Get a bowl. Get a bowl. Get one bowl. Okay. Wash it. I'll put the bowl over here. Meanwhile, keep it clean. This is like the residue of the ramen, so just make sure it's clean a little bit. Okay. Now I just use the chopsticks. Use the chopstick. Ooh, what is that? Turn wet. Turn this color. What is that? It's blue. I wonder what. That's the egg. On the egg, when the egg white come in touch with the the red cabbage, it turns blue. Is it interesting? So I mix the noodle. Okay, I have the shao ramen Japanese noodle with the càixīn thing combined. Okay, now it's almost there. So now I add the leaf of the choy sum. A lot of veggie. I put it at the end for a reason. So let's see. I put this underneath it. Oh, sorry, this one don't need it. So okay, since we want to finish it, so maybe add 1 or 2 more shrimp inside. That's it, and then see you on the next video. I'm gonna take it out. Okay, let it boil for a couple of minutes. Next time if I see it, I'll buy another cover, small cover. Meanwhile, just like this.